I'm taking you back to 1972, 45 years ago, when Grease appeared on the Broadway stage. It's crazy to think about the time that goes by and you don't know when you do a show if it's going to run. I guess Grease made it. We did all right. It's still around, and I'm still grateful to be here and be able to keep singing it. I want you all to know that the Grease cast was every bit as loving and supportive of each other as they appeared in the show. We're still in touch, except for those of us who have passed on, and we have mourned together, and we have supported each other and loved each other all this time. I was in high school in the 50s. I was the oldest person in the cast. I graduated from high school in 1957, and on that arch around the proscenium at the Eden, there were high school pictures from yearbooks. Some of them were mine. They were the real thing, in case you ever wondered. So I'm going to do for you Sandy's Night by herself. I sometimes sing this in a bathrobe. She's not at the prom, and everybody else is. But she has her moment of triumph later. I was deprived of a young girl's dream by the cruel force of nature from the blue. Instead of a night full of romance supreme, all I got was a runny nose and Asiatic flu. It's raining on prom night. My hair is a mess. It's running all over my taffeta dress. It's wilting, the quilting in my maiden form, and mascara flows right down my nose. Because of the storm, I don't even have my corsage. Oh, gee, it fell down a sewer with my sister's ID. It's raining on prom night. Oh, my darling, what can I do? I miss you. It's raining rain from the skies. It's raining real tears from my eyes over you. Oh, dear God, please let him feel the same way I do right now. Make him want to see me again. Oh, what can I do? It's raining rain from the skies. It's raining tears from my eyes over you. There has to be something more than what they see. Wholesome and pure, also scared and unsure. A poor man's Sandra Dee. When they criticize and make fun of me, can't they see the tears in my smile? Don't they realize there's just one of me, and it has to last me a while? Here's a phone dialing, if you know what that sounds like. Hello, Frenchie? could you come over for a while and bring your makeup case? Sandy, you must start anew. Don't you know what you must do? Hold your head high, take a deep breath and cry. Goodbye to Sandra Dee. Thank you.